Students, you might be saying map, it's world map. You are to purchase world physical map. This is world political map, in which you are to fill 5 permanent members of the Security Council. So first of all, on the right hand side, you are to write permanent members of United Nations Security Council. I will write this way. Permanent members of the Security Council. Right hand side pe you are to write this way. And now coming from this, you know India की recognition है. इंडिया के ऊपर दिस एरिया आपको यहाँ पे डॉट लगा के you are to write China. Use pencil for writing, filling map. China. चाइना से ऊपर 66.5 डिग्री जो आर्कटिक सर्कल निकल रहा है, लाइन बनी होती है, मार्क होता है, वहां पर यू आर टू राइट रशिया. So write Russia in this manner. Clear? इंडिया से ऊपर चाइना, चाइना से थोड़ा सा ऊपर 66 के पैरेलल दिस इज रशिया. And now towards the Europe continent, you can see Europe continent एक small island है, इसके साथ जो इस तरह से बड़े वाला बना हुआ है, this is United Kingdom. डॉट लगाया and I am not able to write it here, so arrow डाल के I am going to write it United Kingdom. यूनाइटेड किंगडम के बिल्कुल पास जो ये बाहर को ऐसे वी सी बनी हुई है, दिस एरिया इज फ्रांस. सो you will not be able to write France here, so better write this side and put arrow there, France. This way you are to write and put arrow France. Clear? UK means United Kingdom और उसी के पास फ्रांस. Next, towards the North America, where you filled prairies. Prairies, grassland आपने fill किए हुए हैं ना? So this is USA. USA. So these are the 5 member countries which are permanent member countries. USA, United Kingdom, France, both are from Europe continent. बीच में इनके अटलांटिक ओशन है. Then is Russia and China from the Asia continent. I will explain it with the help of screen also. Let me share my screen. I am going to share my screen. Screen is visible. Anu ma'am, is
Yes,
it
ma'am.
visible?
Yes, it's visible.
Okay. So, bete, we were doing chapter lesson 20 United Nation, in which Today we are going to do map. So let me start. See, now you are to purchase world physical map. Abhi Mishra, stop scribbling the screen, bete. Your name is displayed. So world physical map you are to purchase, and here I have written on the right hand side permanent members countries of United Nations Security Council. On the right hand side you can see, on the right hand side it is written. You should also write in the same manner. Here I have written permanent members on the right hand side, so you should also write this way. Now let me start filling the map. So here we will start from North America. North America continent का सबको पता है. So we will start from North America continent. So let me start. This is North America continent, and here this country is USA. You can see USA, one of the permanent member countries of United Nations Security Council. Next is Russia. So this is Russia. It is on the 66.5 degree north. Russia बहुत बड़ा है बेटी. You can put arrow, put dot here. 60 डिग्री 60.5 डिग्री के सेंटर में कहीं पे भी आप डॉट लगा करके you can write Russia. Next is China. इंडिया के ऊपर, बिल्कुल ऊपर. This one is China. You need not to put numbers. Numbers तो मैंने आपको आपकी कन्वीनियंस के लिए डाले हैं. You should write only the name of the countries and don't forget to put circle. Otherwise that will be considered wrong. अगर आपने सिर्फ नेम लिख दिया है. सर्कल पॉइंट करता है कि ये एरिया जो है that is Russia or China or USA, this way. Next two countries are from Europe continent. Here it is United Kingdom के बिल्कुल नीचे जो बाहर V बनी हुई है, this is France. Here I am going to write its name at the place in the Atlantic Ocean. एरो डाल करके जब हम लिख देंगे, क्योंकि फ्रांस इतना छोटा है कि इसका नेम वहां पे नहीं आएगा, so better to write France in this manner so that spellings must be clear और moreover location भी correct हो जाए. Next one is United Kingdom. So for your convenience, I have map, world physical map in front of you. Ma'am, are you able to see it?
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
Okay, thank you, ma'am. Now let's start from this. बेटे see this place. इसको पिन कर लो बेटे, जहाँ पे मेरी पिक्चर आ रही है उसको पिन कर लो. So this place is USA. नेक्स्ट यूरोप कॉन्टिनेंट में हम जाएं, जो बाहर को वी बनी हुई है, दिस इज फ्रांस, एंड दिस इज यूनाइटेड किंगडम, जो ये जो बिग सा बना हुआ है, यूनाइटेड किंगडम. देन कम्स रशिया, 66.5 की बिल्कुल पैरेलल, एंड चाइना, इंडिया से थोड़ा सा ऊपर और रशिया के दोनों के बीच में. यू कैन सी 40 डिग्री 45 डिग्री के आसपास, दिस इज चाइना. सो हियर आर द country's name. You can see at the side, left side, I have written United States of America. You need not to write full spellings, simply write USA. But it is general knowledge that if someone asks you what is the full form of USA, then you should tell United States of America, and for UK it is United Kingdom. Okay, Russia, China, France, and United Kingdom are the other countries. I hope map is clear to everyone. So now let's.
मैम हमने ये मैप
Yes, Harshpreet, do you want to say something?
मैम यस मैम हमने ये मैप नोटबुक पे चिपकाना भी है.
Yes, of course, Betty. I will tell you later on. Just a minute. Let me complete my work first. Then I will give you full instructions. Wait for a while. Next is Betty, back exercise of the lesson. Open your book. Here the first C part is choose the correct answer and fill in the blanks. Choose the correct answer and fill in the blanks. First one is the UN was formed in the year. You have to take it. B option को टिक कर लो and write in the blanks. (1945). Second, the number of member countries of UN is at present. Don't get confused. अब की पूछी हुई है या बिगनिंग में 1945 में पूछी थी. 1945 में अगर पूछा होता तो 50 member countries were there. But now at present there are 193 options दी हुई है. 100, 185, 193. So the correct option is 193. C option को टिक कर लो और write in the blanks 193. Next is the present Secretary General is, its name is Antonio Guterres. Write the correct spellings. Those students who are using the old books, maybe in their books option was Ban Ki-moon, क्योंकि एंटोनियो गुटरेस से पहले बैन की मून जो थे वो प्रेसिडेंट वो सेक्रेटरी जनरल थे. So if you are using old book, then change the option. Write down Antonio Guterres. He is the present Secretary General. Next is fourth one. The Secretary General is the head of Secretariat. Third option, C option को टिक कर लो and write the correct spellings. Secretariat. Fifth one is the number of permanent members in the Security Council. You have just filled the map. 5 permanent members you have filled. So you will take the correct option 5. 5 permanent members are there and 10 non-permanent members are there. So you are to write 5. Sixth one is the headquarter of UN is situated in. बेटे डोंट गेट कंफ्यूज, यूएन का हेडक्वार्टर पूछा है तो न्यूयॉर्क है, और अगर इंटरनेशनल कोर्ट ऑफ जस्टिस का पूछा गया है, जैसे 7th में पूछा गया है, द हेडक्वार्टर्स ऑफ इंटरनेशनल कोर्ट ऑफ जस्टिस इज लोकेटेड एट हेग, तो डोंट गेट कंफ्यूज 6 और 7। यहां पर यूएन का हेडक्वार्टर पूछा गया है, सी, and here headquarter of International Court of Justice is mentioned, so it is in Hague. Clear? So now next is dash is celebrated as United Nations Day every year. You are to mention the day, 24th October. 24th October is celebrated as the United Nations Day every year. Clear? So next D part is give the full forms of. Give the full form of UNICEF. First option is UNICEF. UNICEF अगर हम इसकी स्पेलिंग्स पे जाएं बेटे तो यू से यूनाइटेड नेशंस इंटरनेशनल चिल्ड्रंस इमरजेंसी फंड। जब ये बना था ना तब उस टाइम पे बहुत इमरजेंसी थी, देन दिस नेम वाज गिवन, बट नाउअडेज वी आर यूजिंग यूनाइटेड नेशंस चिल्ड्रन फंड। आई होप इट इज क्लियर टू यू। यूनिसेफ की फुल फॉर्म यू विल राइट यूनाइटेड नेशन चिल्ड्रन फंड, चिल्ड्रन अपोस्ट्रोफी एस डालना है, चिल्ड्रंस फंड, यूनाइटेड नेशंस चिल्ड्रन फंड या चिल्ड्रंस फंड एक ही बात है। नेक्स्ट इज यूनेस्को। यूनेस्को का बेटा थोड़ा सा लेंदी है, आई विल सजेस्ट यू टू राइट इन द बॉटम। बॉटम पे आपके बहुत बुक पे स्पेस है तो वहां पे फुल फॉर्म लिख लो। यूनेस्को की फुल फॉर्म है यूनाइटेड, एन से नेशंस, ई से एजुकेशनल, एस से साइंटिफिक, एंड सी से कल्चरल, ओ से ऑर्गेनाइजेशन। United Nations Educational, Scientific and Cultural Organization. Right at the bottom because space is less here. यूनेस्को का स्पेस यहाँ पे पूरा नहीं लिख पाओगे. I have managed it very tightly. I will suggest you to write at the bottom. Next comes WHO. W से वर्ल्ड, H से हेल्थ, O से ऑर्गेनाइजेशन. जब भी हम फुल फॉर्म या शॉर्ट फॉर्म लिखते हैं ना, वी यूज कैपिटल लेटर्स, सो यू विल ऑल्सो राइट इन कैपिटल W कैपिटल, वर्ल्ड का W कैपिटल, हेल्थ का H कैपिटल, ऑर्गेनाइजेशन का O कैपिटल. अगर हु भी आपने लिखना तो WHO कैपिटल में लिखोगे, अदरवाइज वो इंग्लिश वाला हु बन जाएगा, लाइक हु इज योर क्लास इंचार्ज, हु इज योर बेस्ट फ्रेंड. हु का मतलब कौन, हमने कौन वाला नहीं लिखना है. WHO वर्ल्ड हेल्थ ऑर्गेनाइजेशन, सो राइट इन कैपिटल लेटर्स. नेक्स्ट इज FAO. F से फूड एंड A से एग्रीकल्चरल, O से ऑर्गेनाइजेशन. FAO फूड एंड एग्रीकल्चरल ऑर्गेनाइजेशन. Next comes ILO. I से इंटरनेशनल, L से लेबर, O से ऑर्गेनाइजेशन. इंटरनेशनल लेबर ऑर्गेनाइजेशन, ILO. These are the agencies of United Nations. Hope you all have written. Now, next E exercise is match the descriptions with the organ or agencies of UN. First one, can you tell me? To maintain international peace and security. Raise your hand who can tell the answer. I'm not able to see actually. Anyone unmute कर लो बेटे और बोलो. Who
Security
is responsible
Council.
to maintain international peace and security? Jai Banga.
Ma'am, Security Council.
Very good. Security Council. Good. Next, number 2 is carries out economic, social, humanitarian and cultural activities.
Economic and Social.
Yes, speak bete.
Economic and Social Council.
Economic and Social Council. Correct answer. Economic and Social Council के आगे आप number 2 डाल लो. Number 3 is it is composed of all the member nations. सारी countries nations जो member हैं उसका बना होता है. सचित आप बोलो बेटे.
Ma'am,
सचित.
General Assembly.
हाँ.
General Assembly.
General Assembly. Good. It is General Assembly. General Assembly जो first option है उसके आगे 3 लिख लो. General Assembly. Next is responsible for the day-to-day activities of the United Nations.
Secretary.
First switch on your camera bete, then speak. Sargun, unmute yourself.
Secretariat. Secretariat.
Good. Fourth option, last option के आगे 4 number लिख लो. Fifth is settles disputes between nations in a peaceful manner. Who settled dispute?
Court of Justice.
Anyone else?
International Court of Justice.
Very good. Yes, Parisha, International Court of Justice, ICJ, solves the matter. Disputes are there, then ICJ gives decision, gives its judgment. Next is
UNICEF.
works to save and protect children.
UNICEF.
Which
UNICEF.
agency? UNICEF. So UNICEF
Ma'am,
is the
UNICEF.
agency which works to save and protect the children. I hope this is clear to everyone.
Yes.
So now, let me stop sharing the screen. Now, one by one, you will tell me if you have any doubt.
Excuse me, ma'am.